made a big batch of stock, soup, or you've even got some leftover wine, naturally when you want to freeze it, you would want to put it in a plastic container. But here's a better option. Why don't you use Ziploc bags? This is a fantastic storage idea because it gives you so much more room in the freezer because it's stackable. Also, it's going to defrost so much faster because it's going to be quite thin. So carefully pour in your stock and then seal it properly, taking out any excess air, and then lie it flat. You'll see none of the liquid comes out. This can go into the freezer. Stocks and soups will last for 3 months. And if you've got some leftover wine in a bottle, don't throw it away. Store it in these Ziploc bags, pop it in the freezer, and next time you want to do a stew, it'll make a fantastic base. All right, into the freezer it goes. So there you go, this is what it looks like when it comes out of the freezer. This is going to defrost so much faster, ready for cooking.